So let's talk about something that throws me as well. If you go to Amazon and you search for a computer, an Apple computer, a 13-inch MacBook Air, take your pick of which computer, and it's a specific specification. Let's say it's a M1 8 gig, 500 gig hard drive or 512 hard drive. You put that in the search, and who knows what you're going to get back. It might not be the same computer. It might be, you might have to go down past sponsored links. You might need to sift through all kinds of different computers to actually find the one you are really looking for. So my name is Larry. I own the Mac Corner, Colorado Springs. I want to talk about Apple computers. I want to talk about the difference between buying online, getting your computer at a local store like mine. Who are you going to ask online? I mean, they have chat, but a lot of times they don't understand what you're talking about. A lot of times it takes a while. A local store, we have real people. We give real answers. We have real experience. 14 years in the business. We've seen it all. We go through checks of these computers. I was talking about an M1 MacBook Air. Fun fact, if the battery starts going bad, the computer starts really acting like it's going bad. It starts hesitating and pausing. It acts really slow. And that's all because of a battery. And it's really, really interesting because other Macs in the past never did that. But MacBook Airs, the M1, even the Intel versions of like 2019, 2020, all do that. So you need people who know these things. If you buy that particular model type online, who knows? The battery might be marginal. It might be 2-3 months into purchase, and then the battery clicks over that threshold and the computer acts like it's going to die. How easy is that warranty? I'll tell you how easy it is at a local store. You just bring it in. You just give us a call. Hey, can I come on in? We don't do appointments. You just come into the store. And once we see that, it's an easy diagnostic. We know without much conversation what's really going on. And we could take care of it. We stock batteries for all the most popular Apple computers. So this is the difference between a local store, online. You get a well-rounded knowledge base to tap into, where online, it's really kind of hit or miss. And I would say more miss than hit. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel so you can get alerted when more videos come out. Subscribe, like it, and let me know if you have any comments. I would love to see them. And look forward to other videos that I'm going to post here in the future. And until then, have a nice day.